Hello. Today we're going to be doing some thinking about our digraphs. To warm up our brains today, I'm going to write a digraph onto my board and you are going to make the sound. Ready? The digraph we're going to start with is digraph CH. Make the sound ch. Repeat after me. CH, chin, ch. Now I'm going to write onto my board digraph CK. Make the sound k. Repeat after me. CK, sock, k. Let's do another one. Now I'm going to write onto my board digraph WH. What sound? W. WH, whistle, w. You say it. Got it. Let's do the other two that we know already. This time I'm going to add SH. You make the sound for the digraph. Shh. Repeat after me. SH, ship, shh. Good. Let's do the last one. The one that we are missing is TH. Make the sound. TH, thumb, you say it. Okay, now that we have our digraphs fresh inside our brain, we're going to be doing some thinking with all of our digraphs today. I'm going to mix them up just to give us some practice working with all of those different sounds that we know. So the first thing we're going to do today is I am going to say a word. The word that I'm going to say might have a digraph in it, okay? I want you to tell me if you hear the digraph or you don't hear a digraph. Here's our first word. Say the word thud. Thud. Do you hear a digraph? Do you not hear a digraph? Show me with your thumb. Thud is the word. I hope your thumb is up. Thud begins with a TH digraph. Thud. There's that digraph right there. TH, thumb, th. Okay. Here's our next one. Our next word is the word sip. Say the word sip. Does sip have a digraph in it? Yes or no? Do you hear one? Sip. I'm going to write the word on my board. You decide if your thumb is up or down. Sip. Sip. I hope your thumb is down. There is no digraph in the word sip. We just have a S at the beginning. Sip. Sip. Okay. This time you're also going to need to write the word. So I want you to make sure you have a piece of paper and something to write with. I'll say the word. You write the word. Then we'll decide if it has a digraph or not together. Okay? On your paper, I want you to write the word rock. Decide, digraph or no digraph. The word is rock. Rock. Write the word. And then put your thumb up or down. Rock. Is there a digraph in the word rock? Do you hear it or no? We'll think together in 3, 2, 1. Rock was our word. I heard a digraph. Did you hear a digraph? I hear it at the end of the word. Rock. CK. Rock. It came after that short vowel O. Rock. Let's write this one too. Write the word wham. Wham is our next word. Do you hear a digraph? Do you not hear a digraph? Wham is the word. Wham. Wham. Write it on your paper. Do you hear a digraph or no? Wham. Be ready to share in 3, 2, 1. Wham has a digraph. It comes at the beginning. WH, whistle, W is at the beginning of wham. Check your wham with my wham. Okay. Your next one is the word win. Win. Write the word win. Do you hear a digraph sound? That's tricky. Win is the word. Let's look at it together. Win. Win is spelled W-I-N. Win. Win does not have a digraph in it, but it's really hard because we just wrote the word wham, which did have a digraph at the beginning, and they sound the same. Win, wham at the beginning. That digraph WH is so tricky because it's just words that we have to know make that sound instead of just the W. Tricky, tricky. Win does not have a digraph in it. Okay. We're going to come across words like that sometimes. What's most important is that when you see that WH, you know to read it W. WH, whistle, W. All right, let's do some more practice with these digraphs. Let's do a word chain. On your paper, I want you to write the word did. Write the word did. Think about all the sounds you hear in the word did. I'm going to write it on my paper. You write it on your paper. Did. Do you hear a digraph in the word did? Be ready to share in 3, 2, 1. Did. Did. Check your did with my did. No digraph in the word did. Now I want you to change the word did to the word dish. Dish. What do you need to change about did to make it dish? Do you hear a digraph? Does your vowel stay the same or change? Dish. If you need more time, press pause. If not, be ready to keep thinking with me. Dish is the word. We need d, I, sh. Which digraph makes the sound sh? I hear that it's stretching out very long, that air. So I'm going to erase this D because I know I need SH, ship, sh. Dish, digraph at the end. Now I want you to make a dish to the word dash. What do you need to change about it, dish, to make it dash? What is changing? Dash. Write it the word dash on your paper. Press pause if you need more time. 3, 2, 1. Dash is the word we want to make. D, ah, ah. I need an ah instead of an I. D, ah, a apple, ah. Shh. That's right. The SH carries a long sound. Shh, dash. Now I want you to make the word dash, mash. Mash. Like, I like mashed potatoes. Mash. What do you need to change about it? Write it on your paper. Mash. All right, be ready to share your thinking in 3, 2, 1. Check your mash with my mash. I don't hear a d sound at the beginning of mash. I hear a sound. So I'm going to erase my D and I'm going to make it an M. I hear the A. Sh. Digraph, S-H. Mash. Okay, let's change this one more time to the word much. Much. What's changing about the word mash to make it much? What digraph do you hear? What vowel sound do you hear? Go ahead and change it on your paper. Much is the word. Much. Much. Be ready to share your thinking in 3, 2, 1. Much is the word. We have I need an a U up, ch. Ooh, that air ended short. I need to get rid of my SH ship sh and make it a CH chin ch digraph. Much. Check your much with mine. All right, one last thing. You will still need your paper and pencil. I'm going to say a word, but I'm going to take off its digraph. You're going to tell me and write down on your paper which digraph needs to go in its space. Here's our first one. The word is the word shed. I'm not going to give you the digraph at the beginning, but I'm going to give you the rest of the word. You tell me. Write it down. Which digraph goes at the beginning of the word shed? Listen for the sound. Shed. Shed. I hope you wrote down SH, ship, sh, shed. Here's our next one. The word I'm going to make is the word rich. I'm going to give you R-I. You tell me which digraph is missing at the end of the word rich. Rich. Listen to that sound. Rich. Write it down on your paper. Rich. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. Rich. Rich. Ch. That sound ended quick. Ch. CH. Chin. Ch. Rich. Last one. This one is the word when. I'm not going to give you the digraph at the beginning, but I'm going to give you the ending part of the word. What digraph comes at the beginning of the word when? Remember, when is asking a question. And a lot of times when there is a question word, it uses a specific digraph at the beginning. When is the word. Make sure it's written on your paper. What digraph is missing at the beginning of when? When. W. W-H, whistle, w. When. And when is asking that question. When. W. Excellent work with your digraph practice today. Keep thinking about those digraphs and the sounds and how they are different from one another. I'll see you guys later.